Crocodile Tears, Fact versus Fiction. The allure of the crocodile tear. They are the ancient hunters, the apex predators of the waterways, and they are also forever linked to a very specific phrase, a phrase that has seeped into our culture for centuries: crocodile tears. We all know the saying, it is all about faking emotion. But what does it actually mean, and why are crocodiles associated with this particular expression? Today we're delving into the world of crocodile physiology and behavior to uncover the truth about those tears, exploring the science behind their production and the real reasons why crocodiles may be seen with what we would perceive to be a teary eye. The anatomy of a crocodile's eye. A look at the tear ducts. The first step to understanding crocodile tears is to explore the anatomy of their eyes. Much like our own, the crocodile eye is equipped with lacrimal glands, which produce tears to keep their eyes moist, clean, and free from irritation. They are essential to their overall well-being. These ducts are designed to help with the lubrication of the eye, and it is because of this that we often see what we would perceive to be tears. It's this basic physiological process that is the foundation of this long-held myth. Lubrication and protection. A necessary function. While they are known for their aquatic habits, crocodiles also spend a lot of their time on land, and this means their eyes are exposed to a wide array of potential hazards, such as debris, sunlight, and other irritants. The tears they produce are a vital defense mechanism, keeping their eyes hydrated and protected from all that their environment can throw at them. It is all about protecting their vision and ensuring that they are always fully aware of their surroundings, and they have these systems to thank for it. The feeding frenzy. Tears during a meal. Here's where the myth of crocodile tears begins to take shape.
Hola.
When crocodiles eat,
¿Cómo estás,
especially when
bebé?
they are taking down larger prey, or when they are feeding in large groups, it's not unusual to see tears streaming down their faces. But these aren't tears of remorse or sadness. They are simply the result of the physical act of eating. The action of chewing, combined with the pressure on their faces, can actually cause the tear ducts to become activated, and the end result is a watery eye. It's a physiological action, and not an emotional response. The physiology of tears, a reflex response. The physiological science behind crocodile tears is based on the connection between the trigeminal nerve and the muscles of the jaw and the tear ducts. The movement of the jaw muscles during chewing can sometimes stimulate the trigeminal nerve, which in turn can lead to a reflex tear production. It is not a conscious emotional process. It is simply a response to the act of eating, and it's not unique to crocodiles. Many other creatures have similar responses. A misinterpretation, linking tears with false emotion. It was the ancient Greek writers who started the association between crocodiles and false tears, and that idea has been reinforced throughout centuries, appearing in literature, in theater, and all forms of media. It is all due to a misunderstanding of their true biology, and it's this false notion that has led to the idea that they produce tears when they are trying to deceive. It's an example of how simple misunderstandings can be carried through generations. The truth about crocodiles: power, patience, and no fake emotions. In truth, crocodiles are fascinating and complex creatures, and their tears are simply a natural physiological response to the act of eating, nothing more than that. They have no ability to fake sadness or remorse. They are creatures of raw power, subtle stealth, and keen observation, and they don't need to resort to emotional trickery to survive. Their intelligence, their resilience, and their place in their ecosystem is powerful enough, without us creating false ideas and myths around them. The importance of understanding. Debunking the myths. By understanding the real science behind crocodile tears, we can begin to move past the often misleading myths and the falsehoods that surround them. It is time we start looking at nature with new eyes and appreciating the complexity of these amazing creatures, instead of relying on old tales that are simply not true. It is only by knowing the true facts that we can hope to ensure their future. A glimpse beyond the legend. The story of Crocodile Tears is more than just a quirk of nature. It is a testament to the importance of scientific inquiry and a lesson on the importance of looking beneath the surface. They are truly amazing and powerful creatures, and they deserve to be understood on their own terms. It's time to recognize that their tears are not a sign of deceit, but rather a reminder of the complex and often fascinating ways in which nature has designed them to survive.